Hi, my name is Rachel Nakamura, and today I'll be presenting my final term project for CMU's 15112 Fundamentals of Programming and Computer Science.
The idea of my project, Whiteboard, is to allow a user to brainstorm, draw, or write on a user-friendly infinite virtual whiteboard. When we run Whiteboard, we begin on a start screen that offers us two different options: to draw on a new board or to open and draw on an old board. So as long as you click somewhere within the eraser, even in the polygons that make up the shadows of the eraser, it will prompt the correct screen. So let's open an old one just to get started. So the default tool that we open up with is the marker tool. But we can also change tools by going over to the side toolbar, and hovering, and you'll notice that all the tools are available here. And so let's switch to the eraser. Now, by clicking and dragging, as one would assume, erasing happens. So going back to the sidebar, all the tools here, now that we've already seen eraser and marker, here are lasso, grab, save, and clear. So let's try lasso. And with lasso, we can click and drag to draw the lasso. So notice that as soon as I release the mouse, it'll autocomplete for us. So if we try and click and drag right now, lasso will draw a new lasso and forget the old one. But let's try using the grab tool, and you'll notice that if it turns, the mouse turns into a hand. And if we click and drag, it will split everything up, which is pretty cool and fancy and involved a lot of computational geometry. Now, if we would like to, say, select a different region, go back to the lasso, and you'll notice that the lasso completely forgets about the old area, and we can just select that, move that around if we want to. So now let's try doing the save feature, because we might want to save this beautiful work of art. And now notice that the tool that we're still using is the last tool that we used instead of the default tool, the marker tool. So if we suddenly decide that we hate what we've just done, we can go back to the toolbar and hit the clear key. And no more. So let's try up in the upper left-hand corner of the screen, there's the return button, which will take us right back to the start screen. And now we can look at the new feature, which is just opens us up to a new board, and the exact same thing is available over here. So just as one would expect. So I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching.